Interconverting standard Gibbs free energy and K. So the relationship this is asking us about is that delta G equals minus RT ln K, which is, of course, the equilibrium constant. Remember our conditions for spontaneity. If delta G is negative, that means the reaction is spontaneous in the direction written. Equilibrium constant K, the bigger that value is, the more to the right the equilibrium lies, therefore the more the reaction proceeds in the forwards direction. So R is a gas constant, 8.314 joules per mole per Kelvin, and the temperature must of course be in Kelvin. This time we're actually being asked to rearrange and solve for the temperature with this value for Gibbs free energy and this value for the equilibrium constant. So we're going to want to make T the subject of our equation. So T then is just going to equal delta G over minus R ln K. So we're going to have to be careful with signs, etc., and units, because delta G is usually in terms of kilojoules, and R, the gas constant, is in joules per mole per Kelvin. So just be a little bit careful there. So what I would normally do is take that delta G, which was minus 55.6 kilojoules, and actually convert that into joules. So a kilojoule is 1,000 joules. Just because I need to make sure that's going to cancel out with what I'm putting on the bottom here, which is the minus R, so minus 8.314 joules per mole per Kelvin times ln of K, and K was 8.1 times 10 to the power of 9. Now, you're probably going to have to be pretty careful with how you put this in your calculator, not going to lie. Like, this is probably going to need parentheses. All this is going to need parentheses. Like, obviously, you're going to need some help up here as well, right? So you probably need parentheses around this, this. Anyway, that's going to come out to be a number, and that is going to be your temperature in Kelvin, and that comes out to 293 and change Kelvin. So to convert to Celsius, we're going to have to subtract 273.15. So in terms of Celsius, that's about 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. And that's what you have to worry about that one.